Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I am Anika Singhal and today I am back with a new video to help you regarding Cisco interview experiences. And that video gonna help you a lot in cracking the Cisco interviews in terms of networking skills, technical skills, DSA related questions and other situation based questions and HR questions. Let's get started with the video without any further delay. But before moving to the video, I will request you all, but please subscribe the channel and like the video and share me your thoughts in the comments if you are getting help. And please subscribe the channel because it gives me motivation to create more content videos like this and to help you all. So but subscribe the channel if you are getting helped as a thank you only. And yeah, that's all I want to say. So let's move to the video part and let's discuss the questions. So today we are gonna talk about the interview experiences that also a candidate got selected last year, and we are talking about all the rounds. And here are all the questions that I written for you all. So the rounds will be like technical round, managerial round, and the HR round. So we are not discussing about the PPT round here because you have to submit an idea and the questions related to it will be asked in the technical interview. So we are taking the questions from your resume and your core subjects, your data structures and networking questions. So let's discuss about all the questions. So we will discuss about the first round, that is technical interview, and that got lasted for 40 to 50 minutes for this particular candidate. And the questions was asked in technical round. First question was, what is OSI model? And the previous video you saw also, the first question was asked about the OSI model also, because this is the most important topic when we talk about networking, and this is the main model in the networking OSI model that has 7 layers, and the extension of is TCP IP model. So like OSI model is a hypothetical model and TCP IP model is the implemented model. So you have to read about those, and you have to tell everything about like why OSI model came, and then why TCP IP model came. So you have to read about everything and you have to explain to interviewer as well. So interviewer will get idea that yeah, you have knowledge about particular topic. Next question was asked about the each layer of OSI model and what are all the protocols. And the same question was asked in the previous interview experiences. So I am telling again that read about OSI model very carefully, remember all the layers and remember all the protocols that is working in it. Okay, the next most important question is what is TCP and what is UDP and what is difference between them. It is also the most asked questions while we go into the networking section. The next is what is switch and what is hub and difference between those. And related to it question is what is switch, what is router and difference between those. So just read about it as well. Then about switches and router, the most sub questions we have, that what is router and what is switch, that I earlier told as well. The next question we have is from conceptual questions, like interviewer asked like what is the reason of Wi-Fi to show no internet when we are connected to internet as well. So you have to tell them in networking concepts, like it can be from internet service provider or there can be issue with network adapter. So these are all the you can search on Google and you can tell them the reason. The next conceptual question is what is the reason of game appearing on the Google Chrome, and like that dinosaur game we see when we are offline. So why Google put that game? So the reason for putting that game on the Google offline page is that user can get engaged in the game while internet connection is getting refreshed. So like if user will go out of the page, then it will be a bad experience for the people. Then it's Google played a trick here that we will make a game and user will play that game till then the issue is getting resolved. So this is the question that is being asked to a student as well. And the next question we have is, nowadays we see small chips, SD card. So that particular small SD card is stores the data 1 TB and in GBs. while it was not possible in earlier days. So what is the reason small SD cards are able to store so much of data? So search on internet and find it answer. It's also these three questions are conceptual questions, and most important question that needs brainstorming and Google search as well. So just prepare these types of questions, and these types of questions are very important, and it shows your intellectual thinking as well. So next question we have is from OS. What is kernel? And in OS we have also different questions. Most important question, like we have different scheduling algorithms. So just read about those. And we have deadlock. What is deadlock prevention? How we can stop being deadlock? So these are all the important questions you have to prepare, because interviewer can ask you questions from your coursework as well, because you just got passed out from the BTech. And question can be asked from DBMS. What is SE properties? What is normalization? Types of normalization? What is the properties of database? So these are all the questions you should prepare, because these are the most asked question. What is serialization and all? So, and the next question is, what is binary search? And what is interviewer ask question in two terms. What is binary search? If you are explaining binary search to a non-technical person, then how you will explain it? And if you are explaining to a technical person, then how you are gonna explain it? So these are all the conditions that interviewer put, and you have to answer accordingly. Then what is worst case and best case complexity of binary search? And what are the time complexities of he gave different algorithms, like sorting algorithms or searching algorithms, and asked time complexities. Read about time complexities as well. The next questions were presentation related questions. Interviewer gonna ask presentation related question 15 to 20 minutes for sure, because it's also play a crucial role in your selection. So prepare presentation very well. The next question is, are you aware of your job role? And he will ask question according to job role as well. The next question is, what technologies you are working on currently? And the last question is, how you keep updated yourself with latest technologies? And the very last question is, any questions for me? And these were all the 15 to 16 question we have, and that got asked in the technical round. The next round we have managerial round, and that also lasts for 40 to 50 minutes. It can vary according to candidate to candidate. So in this managerial round, first interviewer introduce himself and asked a candidate to introduce, and after that he asked question related to project, what project he made, how many projects he made, and what type of tech stack he used. All these questions were asked. And then presentation related question, and take care that presentation related questions can be asked in both the rounds. It's not particular that okay, you will be asked presentation related question in technical round only, you will not be asked in the managerial round. It's not sure. Any interview can ask you question related to presentation, or both also can ask, so be ready for it. And the next thing is, what is your hobbies, what is your interest, and what is your favorite subject, and why it is your favorite subject. So you have to give reason as well. The next question was resume related question, whatever you have written in your resume. So I am telling you all again and again that whatever you have written in your resume, just be prepared it very well, so that any topic, any question interviewer asks you, you will be able to answer that. Okay, so then role related question, are you aware of your role? So these are all the questions that is being asked in the managerial round. So let's talk about the HR round questions. And one more thing, like the questions I am telling you all, I already made videos related to networking questions, HR questions. You guys can refer those videos, and there all the questions, all the possible questions that is being asked to the candidates, I have already told you all, so you can check those videos as well. And the question asked in your introduction, and HR can also introduce herself or himself. Then project related details to take your communication skills. Then what do you know about Cisco, your role, and what are Cisco competitors? Some scenario based question HR also can ask. And are you comfortable in relocation? And any questions for me? So these are all the questions that is being asked. And here are also the tips that I want to give you. Just be confident and be honest and give your 100%. Just these are all the tips that I want to give you, and I know you will crack Cisco. And but before that, but please subscribe the channel and hit the like button, so it gives me motivation. And yeah, I'll meet you in next video with the new interview experiences. If you guys like these type of videos, just tell me in the comment section. I will create more videos. I'll meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.